विधिमार्ग रसजने स्वाधीनता रस न जाने राग मार्गे परायण प्रवेश। विधि मार्ग की पालन करते हुए संत महात्मा की गज की प्रेमानुजा आदि कथा श्रवण करते करते धीरे धीरे हृदय में एक लोभ उत्पन्न होता है। फिर उसी संदर्भ में श्री विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद भी कहते हैं, इसके पीछे जो कुछ भी कारण रहता है दो पुस्तक रहता है। एक होता है संत महात्मा की कृपा व भगवत कृपा, दूसरी है हमारे पूर्वजन की संस्कार इंप्रेशन। इस संस्कार दो प्रकार की होता है, एक होता है आधुनिक संस्कार। आधुनिक में इस जन्म में आप कार्य
I'm really sorry.
वो हमारे हृदय में एक छाप बन जाए।
So, what is impression? What is sanskar? Actually, whatever we are doing in this verse, so there is an impression in our heart. So that is called aduniki sanskar, and the pratuniki sanskar. So we have done so many efforts or so many work activity in our previous verse. So that previous birth impression, this always goes on with us. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he is saying, so the pratuniki sanskar, so which is called past impression, this is very essential. If you don't have the previous life impression, so you cannot get your heart attached with the it in so easy way. So that's why the previous birth impression is so much important in progress. Just like in Bhakti Rasama Sindhu it is described, there was a saintly person went to a court, heard the glories of a lady went to a sant, and she heard she was thinking that Radhaji is my friend. So what happened after hearing this katha? She had this kinds of feeling in his heart that on the day of Ekadashi, her name is Chandrakanta. So her name was Chandrakanta. So what happened on the day of Ekadashi? So she was isolated, isolatedly living in his room. So what happens? She was taking the picture of Radharani and she was thinking that I am hanging and hugging with Radhaji. So what happened after that? After that, what happened? She went to Radhaji, Radhaji's abode, and she was thinking that Radhaji was accept her as her friend. So how we can get the mercy? One is by the drishti, by seeing, by the darshan. So Mahabhagavad drishti, so we get the mercy by only just taking the darshan. Sukadeva Goswami Pad, when he took the birth from his mother's womb and he was going towards the forest, so whenever he did his visions, everybody got the love there. Suta Goswami Pad, before the Shaunakadi Rishis, so he was describing the causeless mercy of Sukadeva Goswami Pad. So what he was saying, by the taking the darshan of Sukadeva Goswami Pad, everybody got love, even the tree. Even tree and everything, they got the love and their heart was melted and tear was rolling out from their eyes. Naveen Prabhu, please, Hare Krishna. Naveen Prabhu, please tell everybody and send the links to the Jaguruji group and everywhere. Please let everybody know. So Nrittam Das Thakur is saying very humbly, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was visiting South India, so but just taking a darshan of him, everybody is getting love there. It is not ordinary thing. So the katha we were talking about, of love, there is no any other way. There is no other reason. There is no other cause. It cannot be possible by the scriptures argument that how Bhagwan will did his mercy on someone. It is not possible. So Bhagwan give them that you will get the Krishna Prem. Vachik, by the voice, by his and by his voice, by his darshan, Bhagwan gives mercy to the Jeev. Bhakti and Ragatmika Bhakti. So who are the eternal associates of Krishna, Radha, Lalita and etc. These all are the eternal associates of Krishna. So they have the spontaneous love in their heart. So getting the association of these kinds of Nitya Siddha Parikar, then spontaneously sadhak will get love. So as we told about the bhav, so who are the Nitya Siddha Parikar of Krishna? So the love of sun in their heart always lighted. Just like we have seen the sun rises and sets, but actually there is no set and rises of the sun vision. This is just angle of vision of our eyes, that we are seeing the sun is rising and sun is setting. If you go to America, then what you will see there, it is sun is going to rise there, and here the sun is going to set. Other state, other country, so you will see somewhere is midnight, somewhere is midday, so there is no sun rises or set. So in the same way, the eternal associates of Krishna, they have the spontaneous love in their heart. It is situated in their heart. So if we get the rays of that sun in our heart, so getting that love, we have to be so much eager. So bhav, the Swarup Lakshana of bhav and Tattva Lakshana we have heard in this previous chapter. These all are the 9 external symptoms we have told about. There are 3 kinds of internal love, internal symptoms, which is 3 kinds of Abhilasha. Anukula Abhilasha, Bhagavad. First is Bhagavad Prapti Abhilasha. Second is Sauharta Bhava Abhilasha. Anukul Abhilasha. Third is Anukul Abhilasha. So this is all showed. So very nicely we have described the explanation of these things, which is described our Acharya Path.
उद्घाटन रहस्य की क्या करते हैं, उद्घाटन ओपन करते हैं।
So these all names opens the mystery of bhakti.
भजन रस ग्रंथ में तो भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
So Bhakti Vinod Thakur in the Bhajan Rasa Granth, by his mercy, he has revealed all the things of bhakti.
भगवान के
So who are very fortunate.
सत्संग में बैठ करके इसी कथा को जो है
So
पूरा
if they hear this katha by the association of sadhu, and
अनुभव करते
so they will realize that.
हैं। अनावृत्ति सत्ता
So which is called anabrati, means again and again, again and again.
पुनः पुनः उसी कथा के श्रवण करें।
We have to hear this katha.
पुनः पुनश्च पिबंत
Again and again we have to hear this Bhagavad Katha
अरे जावत जब तक तू
until
मूर्छित ना हो जा।
we got fainted. We should hear this Bhagavad Katha. Many people used to drink alcohol in this world. We have
कब
seen
तक मदिरा पान करते
used to drink until they
हैं? सब्जी को देख कुछ आरती उसके मुंह जब तक वो नहीं किया जाए वो तब तक ऊपर की तरह।
so they will drink until they fall down on the ground and their mouth is broken.
भगवत कथामृत जो है
So the Bhagavad Kathamritam,
पान करते हैं।
we should always get this nectar again and again, again and again.
रसिक और भावुक जन जो है
So by the Mukharvind or Rasik or Bhavuk Jan. So we should hear this Harikatha by the Rasik and Bhavuk Jan.
मूर्छित ना हो जा।
So Parikshit Maharaj was said, how long you have to heard this Katha? Until you got fainted.
अष्टमी दशा जब तक नहीं आ जाए तब तक पान करते रहो। अष्टमी दशा क्यों कहा जाता है?
What is Ashtami Dasha? Ashtami Dasha, it means got faintness.
इस जगत में भक्ति जगत में मृत्यु शब्द नहीं है।
So there is no word is like Mrityu in the transcendental word. What is used there? Murcha, the faintness. So until you got the faintness in Hari Katha, so till then you have to hear that
निरंतर जो भगवत
continuously.
श्रवण करते हैं, पान करते हैं। कैसे पान करोगे?
How you have to hear this Hari
इस
Katha?
जगत में जितनी भी क्रिया वस्तु जो है पान करते हैं। लिक्विड हम कैसे पान करते
So
हैं?
how you take liquid in this material world? By the mouth.
ये पान कैसे
But in the transcendental world, how you have to hear this Hari Katha? By your ear,
सोना के द्वारा।
by the bowl of ear,
बोले कान कैसे है?
by the bowl of ear, you have to hear this Hari Katha again and again.
पान करते रहो। जैसे वृंदावन में कृष्ण जब
Just like when in Vrindavan Krishna was playing flute, so all the cows
कान को बिल्कुल खड़े कर
they straight their ears.
गायों क्या करती है?
What the cows used to do whenever they heard the flute, the sound of the flute of the Govind, their ears straight.
इसमें कान को सदा क्या करते रखते हैं?
So they were thinking that we cannot miss the sound of the flute of the Govind's flute. So that's why their ears becomes straight.
ब्रज में भी ये सब शिक्षा भी दी जाती है।
So in the Braj there is a lesson.
गोपियों की जो है पाठशाला में
So in the Gopis Pathshala
ये सब
schools,
क्या दिया जाता है? शिक्षा दी जाती है।
so these kinds of lesson was given in the Gopis Pathshala, Gopis Institute. There are five kinds of scriptures are taught.
कितने पढ़ते हो? हिंदी पढ़ते हो, मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ते हो,
So in the school you used to read Hindi, English,
ज्योग्राफी पढ़ते हो,
geography. So many things you used to read in your school. But our Acharya Pad, they used to say, Jeev Goswami Pad or Rup Goswami Pad, they used to say, they in the institute of peace, there are 5 lessons, 5 subject is used to teach.
5 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाया जाता है।
Only 5 subjects.
जो आप admit
And if you will take the admission in Gopis schools, there are 5 lessons, 5 subjects is taught.
5 सब्जेक्ट निकाल दो नहीं।
So I will tell you the 5 subjects tomorrow. I will tell you what are the 5 subjects are there.
5 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा, 6 सब्जेक्ट नहीं, 4 नहीं।
Not 4. Only 5.
यानी 5 करने पड़े, अच्छी तरह से 5 करने पड़े। जब तक ये 5 साल में
So these 5 subjects taught very nicely until you won't get these 5 subjects or read very nicely, so you cannot read to reach to Krishna. For reaching Krishna, there are 5 kinds of subject taught in Gopi's institution. So now I am going to tell you the katha of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So Dutiyam Sadhan. So we are running like a kachua. Tortoise. Once what happened? A rabbit and the tortoise, they have the challenge like that who can get the destination first. So rabbit was saying that I can be at the destination within 10 minutes. The tortoise said both were there running. So the rabbit, so after some time when he was walking on the way, so he think that Kachua, the tortoise, will come very late. So that's why till then I have to take a rest little bit under the tree, because that was the summer time. So he took a rest there. And then what happened? The tortoise was coming very slowly. So he reached at the destination. And when the rabbit woke up, and because he was lying on the tree, his destination. So at that time, so what happened at the time? There was a nariyal, there was a coconut fall down on the ground. So what happened? He saw, he reached the destinations. So already tortoise was there. So in this way, it is saying, wins the race. Slowly and steady wins the race. So that's why we have to move on gradually, slowly. So in this way, Bhajan Raj, it is said, you should move on very slowly. Just like after passing one class, we used to go another class. After passing another class, we used to another third class. So in the same way, we have to Bhajan Raj gradually in a process. So now we are. So Dutiyam Sadhan, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is. Yesterday we have ended up the Nishant Kalin Bhajan. How Vrinda Devi, how she woke up the Yugal Sarkar. She did a lots of efforts, and then how Srimati Radha Rani woke up, and after waking up she went to Javat, and our Krishna went to Nanda house. But look, so what happened when they were going very fastly? So what happened? They have dupatta, the pitambar. They have exchanged their dupatta. So Radhaji has taken the pitambar of Krishna, and Krishna has taken the dupatta of Radharani. Krishna has taken the blue color dupatta of Radharani. So we have heard this katha already, little bit. So now in the second yam, the Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, by the association of sadhans, we will get the rid of anarth nivrati, anarth. So all kinds of anarth will go away by the association of sadhu. Without association, you cannot get the rid of the anartha. If we hear the Hari Katha by the sadhu, then all kinds of our doubts will be clear. The Sant Mahatma, so Sant Mahatma, whatever the note we have in our heart, if that note will be tied was 2, 3, 4 times, so it cannot be opened. One king said to his minister, okay, tell me one thing, how you can open this note,
बहुत 4, 5, 8
because there are 8-9 times a note was there.
कैसे खोले?
How they can open it?
सभी लोग प्रचार विचार में क्या
Everybody was thinking how.
बहुत तलाश
The minister was very clever.
किया कि
What he did,
उस धागा में आग हो जाती है।
he put a fire on that note.
लोग धागा में आग लगाने से क्या होता है?
So what on the thread, so the note was spontaneously opened.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
So what is the meaning?
हमारे हृदय में जितने भी
So whatever kinds of notes we have in our heart,
संदेश,
the doubts we have,
जितने प्रकार के पाप आदि जो है,
whatever kinds of sinful activity we have in our hearts, how can we get rid of them?
नाम के द्वारा
By the Hari Naam.
कर्म आदि योग आदि के द्वारा
Karma and yoga and other extra performing things, it cannot be destroyed.
इसे नष्ट करने के उपाय
So there is only one way to destroy it, one and only Hari Naam, Bhagvat Naam.
है। इसलिए
That's why in the Srimad Bhagavatam, in the 6th canto,
अजामिल के ऊपर
Ajamil, there is a Ajamil Upakhyan.
ऊपर से आग लगा दिया किसने? बांस के झाड़ी में।
Externally, the put,
सूख जाता है।
if you put fire on the bamboo, so what happened when you put fire in the bamboo? Everything will be destroyed.
बरसात के समय
But at the time of rainy season,
बांस आएगा।
that all the bamboos will come again.
किंतु उस स्थान को सारे बांस का धर से निर्मुक्त कराने के लिए उपाय क्या है?
So what is the root cause that if you want to get rid of, would like to destroy all the bamboos field, so you have to take out the root of that bamboo fields. When you take out the root of that bamboo fields, so all the bamboo will never be reopened. There. So in this way, we have so many kinds of desires in our heart that cannot be destroyed.
अनेक प्रकार की जो कर्म वासना
So Jeev has so many kinds of desire in his heart, not only for one verse, like previous infinite words they have in their heart.
प्राप्त आदि अपराध कर्म
Everything is going on according to prarabdha, aprarabdha.
आदि कैसे दूरीभूत होगा?
So how these all can be destroyed? Chanting the holy name of Bhagwan.
नाम करते हरिनाम करते करते
After doing the Hari Naam, chanting the Hari Naam, when
हमारे हृदय में
the fire like a name
जड़ समय को क्या करते हैं?
that will destroy all kinds of bamboo of the sinful activity, destroy. Are you get?
इससे साधु संग में कहते हैं
So that's
साधु
why
संग में
by the association of sadhu, we will get the rid of anartha.
महाप्रभु नाम ग्रहण के
So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
अकाल विचार नहीं करके
so he was not thinking about the time and date of Naam. You can chant the name anytime. There is no need to worry.
अर्धरात्रि में
At the midnight, midday, you can chant the holy name.
प्रातः काल में
And early in the morning,
विचार
pious, unpious, you can chant the holy name. There is no need to worry about it.
भगवान सारी शक्तियां
Because Bhagwan has manifested all the powers in Naam.
है। इसलिए महाप्रभु
That's why Mahaprabhu,
क्या करे?
what he was saying,
नम नमकार
he was saying the Shishta Ashtak second shlok Naam Nakari. Bhagwan give the mercy just because of why Bhagwan has manifested all kinds of his power in the Naam.
अनेक लोकेर वंशवार अनेक प्रकार कृपाते करिल अनेक नामे रक्षार नाम लय देश काल नियम नाही सर्वशक्ति नामे दिल कोरिया विभाग
Dhamma Durgata Naam Nahi Anurag.
महापुरुष जैसे
So Mahaprabhu very humbly he is saying,
नाम करते रहा
so the same amount, the variation you will chant the holy name.
महापुरुष रहते वो उतने ही हो जाए
So if
मेरा तो
whatever amount you will get, the experience in your realization in your heart, so that sadhak will become very humble. Mahaprabhu saying himself,
देखो इस संसार में
in this world,
अनेक प्रकार की इच्छा वांछाएं वासना
in this world, many kinds of people have many kinds of desires.
किंतु देखो भगवान
But
ने क्या किया?
what Bhagwan did,
नाम साक्षात अपने नाम रूप में प्रकट होकर
so he manifested
संसार
in this Kali Yuga in the form of name.
जड़ से नाम करते हैं। और ये नाम करने में कोई विधि नहीं।
So there is no process or vidhi by chanting the holy name.
खाने में बैठने में
When you are eating, sleeping, whatever you are doing, you
इसलिए कहते हैं सर्वशक्ति नानक जिला कोरिया विभाग स्वयं भगवान
so Bhagwan,
अपने सारी शक्तियों को जो
he
है
has manifested all his power in the Naam.
और भगवान के नाम कौन सा नाम जप करें
And which kinds of name of Bhagwan we should chant?
सदा सदा भगवान
Always
मधुर नाम जप करें।
we should chant the sweet name of Bhagwan.
नाम की कभी दो प्रकार के
There are two kinds of Naam, Mukhya and God, the prominent and the secondary.
ईश्वर परमात्मा जगदीश्वर
So the
ये समस्त कौन नाम है?
Ishwar, Paramatma, Jagdishwar, these all are secondary, the God name. And what is Bhagwan's Mukhya name?
नारायण
Narayan,
है, कृष्ण
Krishna,
है, ये समस्त मुख्य नाम है।
Ram.
इस मुख्य नाम
These all are the Bhagwan's Mukhya name.
एक होता है क्या औषधि युक्त नाम होता है।
So one is Aishwarya Yukta Naam and second is Madhurya Yukta Naam.
औषधि युक्त जो नाम जो होता है
So the Mukhya Naam are two kinds, Aishwarya Yukta and Madhurya Yukta.
अपेक्षा माधुर्य नाम की
So
है,
Madhurya Naam is better than Aishwarya Yukta name. So we have to chant the Narayan and others name as Aishwarya Yukta name. Shyam Sundar, Madan Mohan, Vidyavan Chandra,
राष्ट्रीय
Ras Vihari.
ये समस्त नाम क्या है?
These all are Madhurya.
गोपी जन वल्लभ है।
Gopi Jana Vallabh. Karuna Krishna. Krishna. So in the Namastak it is described. So this is the sweetness of name. While chanting the holy name, you will get the mercy of Nam Prabhu. So in this way, so Madhurya Bhav will be manifested in your hearts. Gurudev used to say it here. Somebody saying Nanda Nandan Yashoda Nandan.
नाम आदि ग्रहण करने पर
When you chant these kinds of name,
वो समस्त माधुर्य भाव उत्पन्न
two kinds of Madhurya Bhav will manifest in your heart.
अकरोत् ब्रह्मं श्रेय एवं महोदयम् यशोदाच महाभागा पपूजयस्तनं हरि। श्रीमद् भागवत
In the Srimad Bhagavatam, Parikshit Maharaj is inquired.
देव से बात की कहने लगे
So he said to Sukdev Goswami, Hey Brahman, hey Gurudev, you are the Trikalagya, you know everything.
ये ब्राह्मण ये बोले सर्वज्ञ है वो ध्वंस
So you know everything. Please give me your mercy and tell me one thing. Nanda Maharaj,
उनके ऐसे महान उदय कैसे
huh?
और यशोदा जो महाभागा
So what most auspicious activity did the very fortunate Nanda Baba perform, and what kind of austerity did the supreme fortunate Yashoda perform, that Bhagwan himself drank her breast milk with his lotus mouth? Stanpan karaya. So what the austerity Yashoda did, that Bhagwan himself is taking Yashoda.
अधिक वर्णन करा है नंद महाराज तो महाभाग
Nanda Maharaj is fortunate, but Mother Yashoda is more fortunate here.
और महान उदय
Just like Krishna, she got the Krishna in a form of son,
महाभाग
and Yashoda is so much fortunate because she gave the breast milk to Hari.
क्या वास्तव सुकृति के बल स्वरूप कोई पुण्य कर्म के द्वारा कृष्ण की प्राप्ति किया
So is it possible that she got the Krishna as his son form by any austerity?
माता पिता
Because Nand and Yashoda, Krishna's eternal parents.
गोकुलवासी और मथुरावासी
Gokul,
भी
Gokulvasi and Mathuravasi, they have fight each other even today.
गोकुलवासी गोकुलवासी और
Gokulvasi and the Mathuravasi.
मथुरा के रहने वाले जो
So the
मथुरा के
people who are staying in Mathura, they have.
हैं, और गोकुल के रहने वाले जो गोकुलवासी हैं,
So the people who are staying in Mathura, they are Mathuravasi. Who are the people who are staying Gokul, they are Gokulvasi. So they have fight each other that this is our son, this is our son.
हैं? आश्चर्य है। गुरुदेव कहते हैं,
Gurudev used to say, even the Gokulvasi, the people who are staying in Gokul, the people who, they are called Vrindavan Vasi also.
हैं, हमारा
To say like this because he is Nandanandan Yashodanandan.
और मथुरा
Used to say
नहीं, ये देवकी के पुत्र हैं।
no, he is the Devaki Putra.
गोस्वामी पाद जी
So Sukadev Goswami Pad himself
भागवत में
in the Srimad Bhagavatam times he said Krishna Devaki Nandan.
ये तक रासलीला में अनेक
Even in the Ras Leela there are many shlokas
भगवान देवकी नंदन
Bhagwan Devaki Nandana.
सुविते भगवान देवकी
Nandana.
देवकी
So Devaki Sutta Devaki Nandan, it is mentioned many times in Bhagavatam.
देवकी इसके हम कहते हैं हमारे आचार्य पाद
So our Acharya Pad says according to Harivansh,
देवकी यशोदा नंद महाराज की पुत्री
so Nanda Maharaj wife,
नंद महाराज की पत्नी यशोदा की दो नाम
so Nanda Maharaj wife Yashoda have two names, one is Devaki, second is Yashoda.
इसलिए जहाँ जहाँ
So in this Sukadev Goswami used Devaki, so we should name is belongs to Yashoda.
उसे समझना चाहिए वो क्या है यशोदा है। ये रहस्य जो है हमारे आचार्य के पास ऋषि वैष्णव जो है इसी प्रकार
So this mystery was revealed over our Acharya Pad because some people used to say that because Sukadev Goswami Pad is used to say that Devaki Nandan, but Devaki Nandan means he is Yashoda Nandan.
क्योंकि श्रीमद् भागवत ऐसे एक ग्रंथ है
Because the Srimad Bhagavatam Amal Puran, the Srimad Bhagavatam is kinds of granth which is neutral.
परोक्ष रूप में
Every,
direct में जो है,
so the so word which is said in the indirect form, the sweetness of that word is higher.
इनडायरेक्ट रूप में परोक्ष रूप में यदि कहा दिया जाए उसके सौंदर्यता माधुर्यता अधिक प्रकाश होता है।
So if something is saying in the indirect form, so their sweetness of that word is more than direct words. If I say that people are sitting here, and if I am not saying the name of that person, and I am describing their form, their clothes, so then everybody will look at him, and who is that guy?
और यदि मैं उनके डायरेक्ट नाम ले लें
And if I take him directly name, no too much sweetness is there.
माधुर्यता नहीं है। इसलिए श्रीमद्
So that's why in the Srimad Bhagavatam,
माधुर्य जो है
what
माधुर्य
there are many kinds of ras madhurya is there.
प्रेम संपूर्ण ग्रंथ में
That's why in the Prem Samput Granth, Vishwanath Chakravarti is giving example.
प्रेम ऐसी वस्तु रहता है अपने मुख के द्वारा जिहा के द्वारा यदि प्रकाश कर दिया वो प्रेम की
So Prem is the kinds of thing that which you cannot express by your mouth.
नष्ट हो जाता है। जिस प्रकार
Was given,
स्वजन स्वरूप मित्र
huh?
किसी मित्र के घर में आए
So there was a greedy person who was fond of eating. He went to his friend. Bhojan Lampat means the fond of eating food.
भोजन लंपट लंपट माने बहुत खाने में बहुत
So the Lampat meat who is expert in eating,
अधिक
who is fond of eating.
कबाब
Just like Madhu Mangal, he used to eat everything, and closing his eye, he used to eat everything till his neck.
इसलिए
So that's why there was a friend. He came to your house, and that friend is like who is fond of eating.
भोजन में बहुत उसमें ये रहा
So he has so much taste in
तरफ से जो है
food. If you feed him very nicely, that he will be pleased. So that friend came to someone's house. So laddu, kachori, mohan dishes was prepared.
रसगुल्ला
रसगुल्ला, राजभोग,
रसमलाई,
रसमलाई, रबड़ी.
चलो इसमें चले जाओ, क्या बोले ब्रजवाल की मिठाई चुराने जाओ.
So many kinds of dishes were prepared and arranged.
तो
So
उनके मित्र जो है जानते हैं,
his friend
मेरे जो मित्र जो है
knows that my friend is fond of eating bhojan lampat, fond of eating. So when he came his friend's house, so he thought, oh, my friend has come, now I have to feed him something. So for giving the pleasure of his friend, what is love actually? Love doesn't need selfishness, self praise. Love is always to give to please someone else. So that's why he prepared so many kinds of. His friends said, no, it's not for you, because today is the annual function of my Thakurji. Annual function. Annual. Today is the birthday of Thakurji. Actually, this is not the birthday of Thakurji, but still, for pleasing his friend, he is saying like this. Because I thought in my mind, today I celebrate the festival of Thakurji, because maybe it is Annukut or some other person, anything. It is not possible that you will celebrate the Annukut festival in the Annukut time. Some Brajvasi, whenever they want, they used to go Giriraj Govardhan and they celebrate the Annukut Mahotsav there. They used to call so many saintly person. One of our Srinivas ji, whenever he desires or whenever he wants, they used to feed to the people, and they used to give offering to the Giriraj Govardhan. So there is no rules and regulation of in Brajvasi, in the Braj, that they will celebrate the Annukut festival on the Annukut day. They can celebrate and whenever they want. So if they have desire that I have to, whenever they desire to offer Thakurji something, so they feed them. So I was telling about love. So, the friend who was fond of eating, he said that you have brought all these things for me. So he said, no, it's not for you, because I had desire in my mind, because it is the birthday of Thakurji. So I offered this kinds of food stuff to Thakurji. But if the friend said, because you are greedy and you are fond of eating, that's why I have prepared all the things for you, because you have come to my house, and if you very nicely, then you will be rude. So if he says these kinds of words, so love is not there. So why the deep words, why the soft word like this, love is developed. So what happened after saying this, that to your house? So in the same way, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he is describing, prem is a kind of thing. Prem is always resides in your inner core of heart. Prem is reside in the Yugal Kishore and Kishori, just like a earthen lamp in the core of their heart, and it is lighting from the core of heart, and it is spontaneous. It is always resides in the cave of heart and lighting the earthen lamp there. It is not showable. It is not. You cannot see that. If somebody say that, how we can understand? Then about this Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is describing, look, if in your empty house there are earthen lamp, and you close everything there, windows and everything, doors, everything closed,
जाएगा।
So what happened when if there is a little bit hole somewhere, then the light of that earthen lamp will come
ये
out.
राधा कृष्ण राधा तथा कृष्ण प्रिया प्रियतम के हृदय में प्रेम रूपी दीपक
So how we can understand the light of love, earthen like a earthen lamp is lighting in the cave of Krishna's and Radha's hearts. So this all described by the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in Prem Sampad Grantha.
आकर के
Krishna himself came into the form of Devangana and asked this question to Radhaji. You have heard this?
कृष्ण कैसे आई
Krishna himself came in the form of Devangana,
स्वर्ग से
just like Apsara,
देवांगना के रूप धारण करके
who has come in from the heavenly planet, and she asked the question to Radhaji, the love you have with Krishna, how we can understand that you have so much love with Krishna. So this is very nicely described in that Grantha. So in the Katha it is saying, because the time is over, going to be over now. So Bhagwan has beautiful name like Yashodanandan. So when you chant this name, so according to the ras of sadhak, even Sakhyaras, so they will get the bhav of Sakhyaras, who has the worship of Dasaras, they will get the Dasaras bhav. Who are the sadhak of Vatsalya bhav, they have the Vatsalya bhav arise in their heart. So who are the sadhak of Madhurya ras? So when they will chant the Gopi Chandra Ras Bihari, Kamal Nayana Gopi Chandra Vrindavanindra. So Krishna's eyes is like beautiful blossoms like lotus. So being his eyes is comparing like lotus, that's why his eyes is saying Kamal, he is calling Kamal Nayan.
करना माने उन्हें कैसे हो गया लाल लाल धारण कर दिया और थोड़ा सा मुरझा गया। प्रातः काल में जो कमल जो प्रकृति होता है,
when early in the morning when the
धीरे-धीरे आप देखोगे जब प्रकृति
lotus is blossoms,
कमल के पंखुड़ी के नीचे की तरफ कैसे रहता है, लाल आभा युक्त रहता है। उसी प्रकार कृष्ण के कमल नयन आप नाम स्मरण करने
Krishna's names like Kamal Nayan, when we remind this name, so we will remind the past times that how Krishna did the vilas with the gopis in the Kunj.
और क्या है प्रणतपालम, ये गुरुदेव
Other name is Pranatapalam, the Gurudev is saying.
ये प्रणतजन
Pranatajan means
के चरण में कोई भी एक बार
if in the Krishna's feet somebody take the shelter of Krishna's feet,
भगवान के साथ
then Bhagwan give the mercy of that sadhak.
भावों की नाम ग्रहण करते करते
So if we
चरण करते
chant the holy name like this,
पावना पापकर्षणं विनाशरानुना श्रीनिकेतनं फणिफणार्पितं पदं भुजं कृणुकुचेतुना कृन्दिहीतयम्।
in the Gopi Geet, 7th number shlok.
प्रणत देहि नाम
Pranata Dehi Nam Papa Karshanam. So how beautiful the Gopis Bhav is describing their feelings. The Gurudev is saying here,
पाप दर्शनम, एक बार में कृष्ण के चरण में प्रणति हो जाता
if somebody Krishna's feet once,
पापों की
all kinds of sinful activity Krishna will destroy.
प्राणजन कौन थे?
Who are the Ashta? Bahulashta is the Pranatajan. He is the took the shelter of Krishna.
जब यही वृंदावन में
When Krishna in the same Vrindavan and at the Kaliya there,
क्या बोले
Kaliya,
कालियों के हजारों
he was dancing on the hood of Kaliya.
काली विचार कर रहे
Kali was thinking, who is that guy?
और कृष्ण की चरण के आधार से
And by the attacks of Krishna's feet,
वहां से क्या होने लगे?
Kalia's hood was full of blood.
उस समय काली
At that time, Krishna was thinking, Kali was thinking,
ये कौन है?
who is he?
कालियों की संग किसकी हुई?
Kali अपनी पत्नी होगा. Kali got the association of their wife.
ये भगवान के परम भक्त
They are because the wife of Kaliya was the devotee of Bhagwan, but the Kaliya was very rascal.
उनकी ही कृपा से
So by the mercy of
उनके स्मरण
their wives, he is reminding.
दिन तक कृष्ण के
He reminded that
भगवान रूपी स्वीकार नहीं करते
he was not accepting Krishna as a Bhagwan. He have heard the glories,
मंदोदरी
just like Mandodari in the Ramayana. Mandodari,
राम की महिमा सुना है
she told the glories of Ram before Ravan.
मंदोदरी के नाम पर
Mandodari, the wife of Ravan.
पत्नी
Mandodari.
उन्होंने सुना है
So she told the glories of Ram before Ravan. So he was thinking, this is my glory.
अरे देखो तुम जिसके साथ बैर रखो शत्रु
So Mandodari was saying that you are taking revenge or you are fighting with the person. Who is he?
अजथामा
Who is he actually?
जिसकी जो है चरण
Whose feet?
नीचे कहाँ तक चल गई पता नहीं
Whose feet can goes downside? Nobody can understand that where it can go, and the other feet and the other feet can go where no one knows. So Ravan was thinking she is glorifying me, and Ravan is just like a beggar because he is thrown out from the kingdom. He is just like a beggar. So who has a beautiful wife, but he was not able to save her wife, but I am saving her. So what is my fault?
रावण क्या बोले
What Ravan said, look,
सुंदर नारी वन मन में भटक रहे
that beautiful lady is wandering on the forest because that beggar, Ram beggar, cannot save her, could not save her.
मेरे दोस्त क्या है
So if I kidnap that lady, then what is my fault?
लोग ऐसे भी प्रश्न करते हैं
Some people used to ask these questions.
अरे वो नारी निर्यातन हो रहा है बहुत लोग उल्टा कर देते हैं राम
Many people used to abuse Ram.
किया और रक्षा कर नहीं पाते
Why? But he was not able to save her. But what Ravan did, he kidnapped her and he is staying and he is keeping Sita ji in Ashok Vatika, in a very nice place. Praise Ravan rather than Ram. So Ravan said, what is my fault is there?
दुष्ट रावण जो है
The rascal Ravan is saying like this.
आज तक भी कुछ लोग
Even today, some people are taking the side of Ravan. And they are praising Ravan because Ravan is like that and like that, like this and like that.
क्योंकि जब कोई हरण करेगा किडनैप करेगा
So we will used to say that when somebody kidnap your daughter and son's wife, then you will understand.
तो ऐसे करते करते इसने रावण की क्या
Some people used to say when I travel into the plane, so people used to ask this question, oh, Ravan was so much nice person. So I replied that person, if somebody kidnapped your wife or your daughter, then you will come to know. Now you are saying you are praising Ravan. Are you foolish person? You don't.
अपने बेटी के बारे में कहा दो
So if you say about their daughter, then if somebody kidnap your daughter,
क्या करेगा
so what he will say? It is good? No.
हैं? जो दो चार गाली दिए थे
So when you abuse little bit, so he will be stop praising Ravan.
आजकल भी बहुत लोग ऐसे
So
हैं
even today many people are praising Ravan like this.
रावण की प्रशंसा करते
They are rascals.
हैं धन की प्रशंसा करते
They are praising Ravan, Duryodhan.
हैं आज यहाँ तक भी प्रभुपाद जी कहते हैं
Even Prabhupada used to say,
वो क्या नाम है आज उसके नाम रखते हैं अरे महाभारत में जो है
कौन सा?
क्या नाम रखते हैं के नाम है क्या नाम
कौन सा?
कोई नाम रखते हैं
कर्ण
अरे नहीं तुझे कथा सुनाता हूँ वो बात करते हैं
अरे कौन सा हो गया?
उसके परम भक्त नाम थे एक और
Eklavya, yes.
गुरुदेव
Ah.
ने इतना जबरदस्त बक्तिता दिया एकलव्य के भक्त मानते
People used to say Eklavya is devotee.
एकलव्य की गुरु भक्ति
Oh, look at the devotion of Guru Bhakti of Eklavya because he has cut his thumb.
किंतु एकलव्य की विचार इसलिए गुरुदेव इतना भक्ति हम तो
So that's why Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, there was in an article,
वो दुष्ट है
he said that he is rascal, he is dushta.
एकलव्य जो है
Yeah,
लिस्ट में नहीं है
Eklavya is not in the list of Bhakt.
अभक्त की लिस्ट
Eklavya is in the list of non-devotee.
आज तक हमारे गौड़ी मठ में किसी भक्त के नाम रखा गया
Even in our Gaudiya Math, nobody's name is Eklavya.
नहीं रहा है
No.
इसके भक्ति हम तो
That's why Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada in the Upakhyan Upadesh,
अच्छी तरह से
he described this story very nicely.
लोग पढ़ते नहीं
People never used to read that and used to say Eklavya is a beautiful, a very nice Guru Bhakti. And when the Gurudev asked that, please give me dakshina, so what kinds of dakshina he got? That I need your thumb. And without thinking, he gave his thumb to his Gurudev, Dronacharya. So this is Guru Bhakti. Dronacharya said, Eklavya, if you think that I am your Guru, so give me the Guru Dakshina. So he asked, what do you need? So he said, I need your thumb. So he gave his Guru, he gave his thumb. This kinds of Guru Bhakti, actually this is not the Guru Bhakti. What is Guru Bhakti? What is Guru Puja actually? So this is told by our Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. We should understand the Manovishta of Gurudev. Understanding the Iksha, we should serve our Gurudev. This is our duty. Stapitam yena bhutale. So whatever the Manovishta of Gurudev, we should understand that and serving accordingly our Gurudev. This is the duty of a disciple. This is called the Guru Bhakti. Eklavya was not a Guru Bhakta. What Gurudev want? We should understand that. That's why in the Gaudiya Math, even today, Sadguru never give the name his disciple Eklavya. From Prabhupada, even today. So no Guru give the name his disciple Eklavya. Earth is going to start. Now we were going to start. First we have to make the assembly hot little bit. Pranatadehina. So we will describe our this katha tomorrow. Hare Krishna. Pasanare Patidanam Pavanabhyo Vaishnavi Vinamava. Hare Krishna.